Want to know the secret to a healthier and stronger body? Eating eggs daily for a month can have a noticeable impact on your overall health. From boosting protein intake to supporting heart health, the benefits of this nutrient-packed food are worth exploring. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day for a month. From increased energy to improved brain function, eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's crack open the science behind it. For years, eggs have been at the center of debates about their health effects. Many of us have heard claims that eggs are bad for the heart due to their cholesterol content, but recent studies suggest otherwise. Research, such as a 2018 study published in Heart that followed nearly 500,000 people in China, found that moderate egg consumption was associated with a lower risk of heart disease. The key takeaway is that for most people, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, essential for building and repairing muscles. Protein is a crucial macronutrient that helps repair tiny tears in muscle fibers caused by exercise, allowing them to grow back stronger. The amino acids in eggs, particularly leucine, play a critical role in muscle protein synthesis, making eggs an excellent post-workout food. Eggs also help regulate blood sugar levels by providing a steady source of energy without causing spikes. The combination of protein and healthy fats in eggs slows down the absorption of glucose, keeping blood sugar levels stable. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage energy dips throughout the day or maintain focus and productivity. When it comes to brain function, eggs are a standout due to their high choline content. Choline is an essential nutrient that supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood, and muscle control. Regular consumption of eggs can enhance cognitive function, improve memory retention, and even reduce the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. After a month of eating eggs daily, many people report increased energy levels thanks to the steady supply of nutrients that help regulate blood sugar and sustain physical activity. Some also notice healthier skin, which may appear more radiant due to the vitamins and antioxidants in eggs. Vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin contribute to skin cell regeneration and protect against damage caused by environmental factors. Stronger hair and nails are another common benefit. The protein in eggs provides the building blocks for keratin, the structural protein that forms hair and nails. Additionally, biotin, a B vitamin found in eggs, supports hair growth, prevents brittleness, and promotes healthier, shinier hair. Contrary to the outdated belief that eggs clog arteries, research has shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs contain heart-healthy nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. So what's the real takeaway? Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that can provide noticeable benefits when eaten regularly as part of a balanced diet. However, it's important not to overpromise. While many people experience positive changes, it's always best to approach any dietary change with realistic expectations and guidance from a healthcare professional. If you've tried eating eggs daily for a month, we would love to hear about your experience in the comments. And if you're curious about other simple ways to improve your health, stick around for our next video. Thanks for watching.